So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Much Free campaign we go about looking at how we can convert a non-smart TV into a smart TV. For purposes of this tutorial we'll be using a Google Chromecast. You may use an Android box, maybe a different Miracast or any other casting device. So let's begin. We are trying to do this on a View TV series. Now here we are on the back side of the TV. As you understand, we have the HDMI inputs and this Chromecast that I have, I put it in HDMI 1. Why is this important? Because if you see the remote of the TV, you have something called as the source. And later on, you should remember that this Chromecast has been put on the HDMI 1 slot. Let me just give you a zoomed in view so that you can see that this is HDMI 1. And since we need to power this Chromecast, we have a USB on the other side. So let me go there. So the Chromecast that you are seeing, we are giving it the power supply using it the USB, which is on the other side of the television. Now this Chromecast we need to connect using Bluetooth of the mobile device. So in the mobile device, you basically turn the Bluetooth on so that you can actually then go ahead and connect to this Chromecast. That we'll be looking at later on. Now we have turned the TV on, and if you recollect, I told you that we will have to select the source. So as I select like the source, so I have the option of selecting HDMI 1. So I go to HDMI 1 because that's where the Chromecast is connected. Click on OK. So it will give me an option of setting up my Chromecast. Now once that is done, you will see that it appears like Chromecast 7971 and they are asking me to download the Google Home app. So let's do that. So we go to the Play Store, download the Google Home app. Basically this will help you set up your Chromecast. So let this open up. Okay, we will click on open. So basically this is how the interface would appear. We click on get started. We have to set it up to a Google account. So I'm using the one that I have on this device. Then basically you need to set a home or some name like, for the stuff that you're going to use and then connect devices to it. So I will use the default home that I have. Click on next. I give on location access, so that this app can use the device location. And then now it's trying to look for devices and it should be able to find the Chromecast because the Chromecast is communicating through the Bluetooth. And if you remember, we turned the Bluetooth on, right? Therefore, this is able to find the Chromecast. So this is the same thing, 7971. And if you see there, 7971, right? So it's the same device. So I reswitch focus. Click on yes, and you should ensure that this device is on the same wireless network which you want the Chromecast to be set up on. Because that's a very important requirement, that the wireless network of the device and the Chromecast should be on the same network. So it's saying, do you observe Wi-Fi L9? And that's what we observe. So yes. And you want to help improve? Yes, I'm in. So I want to have the same room den which I have created once. Click on next. And this is what I was saying, that you should be very you want to use the Chromecast with a certain network, wireless network, you should ensure that the device also has the same wireless network. What do I mean? So when I go to my settings and I show you my wireless networks, these are the different wireless networks that I may have. If I say that I want Chromecast to be working with Jio 2.4, I want this device also to be on Jio 2.4. Okay. So if that is fine, I go back here and I say it's okay, Jio 2.4. I click on OK. Okay. And now the Chromecast is connecting to Jio 2.4. If you can see, is the wireless network. And the device is also on the same wireless network, which means I should now be able to mirror or cast my screen using my Google Home app. So almost done. So I click on next. And just gonna take a few moments. And that's it. I believe next. No thanks. Link video services in case you want to link your Netflix account and other things. I don't want to do that. I just want to kind of, mirror screens and other things. So I just continue. And this is like how you can like use Google Home to mirror like Netflix, YouTube, other things. I really don't want to do that. And I just want to show you how it actually works. So basically this is how the Google Home Cast would appear here as a connected device. And you have the option of casting your screen and also casting different applications using the video linking thing. So I will cast my screen here and you can see what happens. So I can now mirror my screen. So let me do one thing. I'll play YouTube. I'll play my channel. This is my video.
So दोस्तों वेलकम, मेरा नाम कुमार है और आज के इस टेक्नोलॉजी कैंपेन में हम देखेंगे कि फोन पे के पैसे को आप किस प्रकार बिना कोई चार्जेस के अपने बैंक अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर।
So this is how you would be making your normal non-smart TV a smart TV by doing what we just demonstrated. So if you like today's work, kindly consider subscribing to this channel. Click on the bell icon for notifications to know that you would be needing a casting device, and more so like when you have a casting device and when you are setting it up, please ensure that you set it up on a wireless network which you would be having later on, because the phone also needs to be on the same wireless network. So we have set the Chromecast, like you were seeing, on a certain wireless network, so which was like this Zio 2.4 Amlan. And so this device presently has to be on this wireless network, because if I use a different wireless network, this will not work. Now once this has been done, many other features are there on this phone. You don't really need the Google Google Home device. If it's like a Samsung phone that you have, you can also use the Smart View feature, and the Smart View feature will directly connect to the Chromecast and will actually allow you to mirror your screen. So if it's a OnePlus phone, they also have a similar option for screen mirroring and many other things. So this is how simple it is. Once like a cast is connected and has been set up, you can basically go to any any third-party application. So you can go to a third-party application and then you can see this button here. So this button is actually for the connected device, and there you go. So it's almost become a smart TV now, and you can use it as you want. So that was what I was wanting to demonstrate, and just so that we don't miss the point, you see this is possible in quite few many ways. One is the casting thing that we have shown today. There is another thing which is called the Android box. So you can buy that for around $3,000. And then there is this HDMI cable. So USB-C to the monitor HDMI cable. If you have that, even then the display can be mirrored or casted, and then you can use the applications. As of now, all TVs mostly they are coming with a smart facility. So they have all these apps built in. They have Android built in. So you really don't need to do all this. But in case you are having a non-smart TV, this is how you would be converting one such non-smart to a smart using a simple cast device like Google Chromecast or Miracast. And then once it's connected, then you can use the mobile native features like Smart View or anything else, and you can actually mirror whatever you have on the Android screen onto the television. So hopefully this helps. If it does, please do subscribe to us. Thank you.